Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are good. Dear students, in previous class we learned about adaptations in animals. Okay. Today let us continue that adaptations in animals. I will tell you some examples also. Okay. How do animals adapt to their habitat? How do animals adapt to their habitat? Animals have certain body features which enable them to live in their habitat. Okay, students, they have their own body features. Every animal has their own body features. Okay, because of that, they can able to live in their habitat. Okay, in every climate. Okay, let us understand this with the example of fish. Okay, in previous class we learned about this sea snake. Okay, it is flat tail enables it to swim. See, flat tails are there. Flat tail is there. Okay, students, it can able to swim in the water easily. Okay, now today let us learn about adaptations in fish. Okay, the shape of the body and fins help a fish to swim. See, shape of the body. See the shape of the body. Okay, then fins, two fins are there. It obtains oxygen dissolved in water with the help of gills. See, it obtain oxygen dissolved in water. जो पानी में जो oxygen है, okay, so with the help of gills it obtain oxygen from the water. See this fin scales. A fish takes in water through the mouth. Okay, mouth. See, through the mouth it takes water. Then water flows over the gills. See, it is the gills, red color gills go. Okay, and comes out from the flap region. Okay, it takes water through the mouth, then comes out. Okay, over the gills and flap region there. Okay, students, see, gills are filled with blood, and when water passes over them, okay, the blood takes in oxygen present in the water. See, these gills are filled with blood, red color dekha, blood. Okay, students, so this blood absorb oxygen from the water. वाटर में जो ऑक्सीजन है, ये जो ब्लड है, ओके, ये ब्लड सेल्स आर देयर. दिस ब्लड अब्सॉर्ब्स ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द वाटर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, present in the gills, bloods are present in the gills. Okay, but at the same time carbon dioxide from the blood enters the water. इसका शरीर में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, ओके, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दैट फ्रॉम द बॉडी एंटर्स इनटू द वाटर. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो बॉडी में वापस वाटर में जाता है. वाटर में जो ऑक्सीजन है वो ये जो ब्लड है अब्सॉर्ब करता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? See, so body features that help a fish live in water. Understand students? Students, see the camel. Okay, what kind of body features help a camel live in the desert? Okay, let us learn about that. You know, already you know, camels are very special. Okay, hump is there. Then camels are called the sheep of the desert. Okay, camels are called the ships of the desert. Why? Because they carry very big loads from one side of the one side of the desert to the other. See, desert में बहुत दूर, from the starting desert area to the end of the desert area. Okay, it can load very big weight, means बहुत सारा चीज इसको ले जा सकता है. Understand students? So these camels carry very big loads from one side of the desert to the other. Okay, camels can carry over 200 kilograms on their backs. See, कम से कम 200 kilograms इसका ऊपर रख के ले जाता है. Okay, it can load. Then camels walk 4 kilometers per hour through the hot desert. Hot desert में per hour 1 घंटे में 4 किलोमीटर दूर जाता है, like a vehicle. Okay students, so then they can walk without water and food long kilometers. Okay, 3 लगातार. Okay, 3 weeks. Okay students, continuously it can walk 3 weeks, 4 weeks, even months without water and food. Okay students, very special animal, camel. Understand students? Then see, let us learn about this camel in detail. See the hump, there is a growth, na? It is very special because of this hump. See, excess food gets converted into fat and stored in the hump. Excess food, okay, so जब खाना खाता है बहुत सारा खाता है, अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. सो एक्सेस फूड, बाकी जो एक्सेस फूड जो आता है इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू फैट, ये फैट बन जाता है एंड स्टोर्ड इन द हम्प. ओके, एटलीस्ट 40 किलोग्राम 30 किलोग्राम फैट कैन स्टोर्ड इन द हम्प. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके. नाउ सी अनदर स्पेशलिटी, लॉन्ग आईलैशेस. आईलैश देख लो बहुत लॉन्ग है. ओके, इट प्रोटेक्ट आईज फ्रॉम स्ट्रॉन्ग सैंडी विंड. सी यू नो द क्लाइमेट कंडीशन ऑफ दिस डेजर्ट, कभी कभी हवा आ सकता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देन दिस आईलैशेस प्रोटेक्ट्स आईज फ्रॉम सैंडी सोइल. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, जब सोइल उड़ेगा तो इसका आंगों में नहीं आएगा. इट प्रोटेक्ट्स, these eyelashes protect, okay students, from the strong sandy wind. So students, long eyelashes keep the sand out of their eyes. Understand? Then see their legs, long legs. Okay, long legs are there. So these long legs keep the body away from the sand. Understand students? Then extremely hot is there, so it help these long legs, okay, keep the body away from the extreme hot. Understand students? So बहुत ऊंचा है ना शरीर, okay, तो नीचे का जो गर्म ऊपर नहीं आएगा. Understand students? Then padded feet help in walking on soft sand. Padded feet, see, padded feet means है just joined feet, webbed feet. Okay, help in walking on soft sand. जो soft sand, students, do you know about the soft sand? No vehicle cannot run in the desert area. जो desert area है उसमें से कोई vehicle को जा नहीं सकता. Okay students, why? Desert is covered, full of desert is covered with soft sand. Okay, the tires will sink in the sand of the desert. Tires है, even we cannot, it is very difficult to walk in the desert area, full of sandy, okay, sandy soils are there. So it may be sink into the sandy soil. So students, this camel is very special. It is only means of transport found in the desert. इसको उधर से चल सकता है, बाकी किसी को उधर से जा नहीं सकता. Only camel can walk in the desert area. Understand students? Because of this very special padded feet. Okay students, understand about this padded feet. Okay, why does a camel have padded feet? Because it can walk in the sandy soil. Understand students? The wide spreading feet means webbed feet keep the camel from sinking into sandy soil. Okay students, this webbed feet. Then see the foot. Okay, toes are joined together. Toes are joined together to prevent sinking into the sand. Okay, ये नीचे सोइल का नीचे पैर नहीं जाएगा, लेग्स नहीं जाएगा, बिकॉज इट कैन प्रिवेंट सिंगिंग इनटू सैंड. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके. देन अनदर स्पेशलिटी क्या है? नोस्ट्रिल्स. सी देयर नोस्ट्रिल्स. ओके, नोस्ट्रिल्स कैन बी क्लोज्ड एंड ओपनड एट विल. जब चाहे इसको ओपन कर सकता है, बंद कर सकता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नोस्ट्रिल्स. ओके, nostrils can be closed and opened at will. Okay, so these nostril protect, but it is the very special nostrils. So ये जो sandy soil अंदर नहीं जाएगा. Understand students? It is there is very speciality, बहुत special है ये camel. Understand students? So students, okay, a camel can live without water for many days. When water is available, it drinks plenty of water to recover water lost from its body. Okay, जब पानी मिलता है, at least 200 liters of water it can drink. Okay, then what about food? Few plants grow, you know about the desert. Okay, few plants grow in desert. When food is available, a camel eats plenty of it. Okay, excess amount of food is converted into fat and stored it in the hump. Understand students? It is used when food is scarce. Okay, जब नहीं है ये यूज़ करता है. Okay, so it can walk in the desert 2-3 weeks, even months. Okay, that is why a camel can able to live without food for several days. Understand students? Okay, Then what about hot and sandy environment? A camel has a long legs. Okay, students, which keeps its body much above the hot sand. I told you already now. The padded feet help it to walk comfortably on the soft sand. Okay, students, during a sandstorm, okay, a camel closes its nostrils. See the nostrils during a sandstorm. A camel closes its nostrils. Its eyes are protected by large eyelashes. Its eyes are protected by large eyelashes. Okay, it is very special. Dear students, yesterday I told you about this polar bear. Okay, students, these body features that help a polar bear live in extremely cold conditions. See the coat of hair, okay, thick coat of hair that protect them from the cold climate, extreme cold climate. Okay, students, hollow hair traps air near the body. See, hollow hair. See, iska hair dekh lo. Okay, students, non-slip soles to grip the ice. See there, पैर देख लो स्टूडेंट्स. नॉन स्लिप सोल्स टू ग्रिप द आइस. आइस में ग्रिप मिल जाएगा. नॉन स्लिप सोल्स है ये. ओके, इसको ग्रिप मिल जाएगा. सो ये स्लिप नहीं होता है. ओके, नॉन स्लिप है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. देन वाइट फर देख लो इसका. ओके, इट प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. Students, see these animals, yak. Okay, it live in the high mountains. See the hair of this coat of hair. Okay, बहुत सारा hair है. Okay, students, the wild yak is adapted to live in high mountains. Okay, regions of the Himalayan range. जो Himalayan range में, okay, high mountains में रहता है. Okay, इधर it is adapted to live in high mountains. Why? The body is covered with thick growth of hair. See, thick growth of hair that almost टच द ग्राउंड बीच नीचे आ जाता है ना. दिस कीप्स द एनिमल्स वार्म बिकॉज इन हाई माउंटेन्स यू नो ऑलरेडी. ओके, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट है. ओके, बट इट कैन लिव देयर बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोट ऑफ हेयर. बहुत हेयर है ना. दिस हेयर, द बॉडी इज कवर्ड विथ थिक ग्रोथ ऑफ हेयर. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस कीप द एनिमल्स वार्म. सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन रीड द chapter and understand it. Okay, bye.